ICE can once again take a suspected killer into custody after the Rhode Island federal judge who released him changed course, now with all the facts. Good evening, everyone. I'm Patrice Wood.
I'm Gene Valicenti, and ICE has some explaining to do after originally instructing prosecutors to hold back critical information from the judge who had released him. NBC 10's Mike Cerullo follows up on a story he's been on for days now outside court. Mike, what's going on?
Well, Gene and Patrice, ICE is now going to detain that man 1 week after he was originally released. Judge Melissa DuBose says she would have originally ordered him to be held by ICE had she had all of the information at the time. She faults ICE for how they handled the situation, and now the agency could face consequences. ICE won't say yet whether it's already recaptured Bryan Rafael Gomez 1 week after what some are calling a blunder by the agency that resulted in the suspected killer's release. Rhode Island federal judge Melissa DuBose ruled Tuesday he should be taken back into ICE custody. It's a reversal from her decision last week to release him, which the feds admit was made without crucial information. They never told her about this warrant, which alleges Gomez is wanted for a deadly shooting in the Dominican Republic. Federal prosecutor Kevin Bolin has apologized. He was not available for an interview Tuesday, but in court told the judge that ICE instructed him not to disclose Gomez's international homicide warrant to the court, even though Homeland Security publicly posted about it weeks prior.
The judge makes a decision based on the record before them. And when the court doesn't have all of the information, especially when it deals with dangerousness or criminal history or flight risk, then it becomes a danger to the entire community.
DHS went on to blast DuBose publicly in this press release still available on its website, which falsely suggests she knew about the warrant when she ordered him released. Bolin said on the record in federal court Tuesday, quote, "The post is inaccurate." DuBose is now referring the matter for a formal disciplinary review, saying the situation, quote, "has to be fully investigated so we don't have anything like this happen again."
So what the judge is looking at here is whether the prosecution in this case violated their duty of candor to the court.
NBC 10 legal analyst Austin Dana says the next step is an investigation by a neutral third party.
Whether that's a magistrate, another judge, or a court-appointed special master.
He says they'll look for
who knew what, when they knew it, and whether they should have told it to the court during that first hearing where the judge decided to release this defendant.
DuBose clarified her issue is mainly with how ICE has handled the situation, and now the agency could face sanctions. And once Gomez is taken back into ICE custody, he'll have a bond hearing within a week. Now, I did reach out to ICE to ask about that, quote, inaccurate release that's still up on their website. They did not get back to me about that. We'll keep you updated, but for now, live in Providence, Mike Cerullo, NBC 10 News.